Hi, this is Preetha and you're watching Dakshin Curry. I don't know how many of you are fans of snake gourd, which is also called as Paduval, and it is also called as Pudalangai in Tamil. But today I'm going to show you how to make a dal preparation which goes fabulously well with rice. But before we get on to the recipe, do click on the bell icon for notifications. That way you'll always be updated on my recipes. Let's quickly take a screenshot of the ingredients that are needed to make this recipe so that whenever you want to make it, it's available to you. I'm going to first cook the vegetables. So I'm going to add the snake gourd which I have diced. Along with that I'm going to add moong dal. Now if you have time you can also soak the moong dal. Salt as required. Along with that a little bit of turmeric. Hing which is dissolved in water. Now I am adding a sizable quantity. If you don't want to use hing that's dissolved in water, you can also use hing powder. Along with that, few curry leaves which I am just going to roughly tear and add, and water. We are going to add enough water so that it covers the vegetables and also the dal. I'm just going to give this a good mix. Now what we'll do is, we'll cover this and allow it to cook. So while the vegetables are cooking, let's quickly soak the ingredients for the paste. I have coconut here along with some green chilies. Now these are nice and spicy green chilies. So always use chilies sparingly depending on the kind of spiciness that you like in your recipe. Along with that, we'll add some coriander seeds, some cumin seeds, some raw rice. Now the raw rice is added to give a little bit of thickness and body to the recipe. And last but not the least, tamarind. So add enough water to soak the ingredients. And now we are going to keep this aside for say around 15 to 20 minutes till all the ingredients are well soaked. So our vegetables are also almost cooked along with the dal. And this is also soaked well for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now all I'm going to do is get this ground into a nice smooth paste so that we can add it to this mixture. So this is our freshly ground paste and it looks nice and smooth as you can see. Let's have a look at our vegetables. Wow, the moong dal is mashed really well and even the snake gourd is well cooked. So at this stage, the only thing that we need to do is add the paste. Now after adding the paste, you don't have to cook this for a long duration. Just simmer it on a low flame for 5 minutes and your recipe will be ready. And just allow it to simmer on a low flame for 5 minutes. So this is reduced well. It's been simmering away for good 5 minutes. And this is ready now. All it needs is a tempering. So I'm going to switch off the flame and we'll quickly create a tempering. All we need is a little bit of oil, mustard. So the mustard is crackling. Let's quickly add dry red chilli and few curry leaves and add it to our kootu. Just give this a mix and our Pudalangai Kootu is ready to serve. Kootu is nothing but a combination of vegetable and dal, and today we learned how to do it using snake gourd. I hope you make this recipe. I am looking forward to your feedback. And if you have liked watching this video, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.